Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make Fuji X-T4 and Sony FX30. What is different? I'm gonna use Fuji X-T4 35mm f1.4, Sony FX30 50mm f1.8. I'm gonna shot DCI 29.97 the Fuji X-T4. Here is DCI 29.97 frame, 400 megabyte. Gonna use the Samsung 200 speed. Okay, I ready to set up. Okay, let's go. 1 2 3. Do you see? Okay, here is it. It's work okay. And the second, I'm gonna change the SD card the same. Okay, let's go. So it doesn't work the Sony. What is the reason? Okay, let me check. DCI 4K 29.97 frame, the same thing, and the recording 300 megabyte 42 to 10 bit, the same thing the Fuji. Okay, what is the reason? Number one, this one Fuji have the building the memory, and they put in back the memory card. So this one you need to buy the expensive fast card or something, the high speed 300 speed, because the Fuji have the 200 speed is work. So they record start the memory inside the SSD or something, and they put in back the SD card. So this time Fuji is better. Sony it doesn't have the viewfinder. Fuji have the viewfinder. And LCD, okay, the same thing. Yeah, I like the same thing. Yeah, same thing. Okay, here is the Fuji have the film mode. Okay, film color. Okay, here is it. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Very popular. Okay, let me touch cinema color. Okay, here is it. This one, it doesn't work DCI, the memory 200 speed. You need to have the 300 speed. The Sony good thing is the good skin and very good. This one very good. I like too this one. This one for I like the document short film for the like the movie. I like the Fujifilm. Audio is the same thing. This one TRS cable, and this one they have the TRS cables to Type-C. You have to use the Type-C and put the plug in the TRS cable. And by the way, the Fuji bad thing is that they use the micro. I have a large problem. This one HDMI very good. This one they have the inside fan, yeah, very good. Yeah, the body is very good. FX30 Cineline. To this one I recommend. To this one I recommend too. I think you need to have the two. Sony very good too. Fuji very good too. Spend more money the Sony and save more money the Fuji, because the memory card they have a problem. Okay, what color come out? So I want to check the Fuji X-T4 fast. Okay, here is it. Okay, let's go. One more time. Now Sony, okay. Let's go. Okay, I highly recommend. I like the Fuji, Sony, Black Magic Red. Yeah, so I like to use the Fujifilm for the filming the movie cinema. Yes, Fuji, Black Magic Red. Yeah, for the Sony have the document the new or something report. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Okay, bye bye.